Hey guys, it's Haley.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome back to Happy Jewelers. Today we are going to show you different chain lengths on Molly's neck and also kind of play around with some different pendants so you can see how you can layer your necklaces. Okay, so Molly is 5'8" with an athletic build, and this is what a 16-inch looks like on her neck and an 18-inch. Now to add to her stack, we put a moon cut chain, which is 22 inches. So right now we have 16 inches, 18 inches, and 22. When adding a third layer to your necklace stack, we recommend going with something a little on the thicker side for the chain so that it doesn't tangle with your top two pieces. Now we're going to take things up a notch with some tennis necklaces and a two-tone look. So when we do two-tone anything, we usually recommend pairing either rose gold with white or yellow gold with white. And today we're doing white gold, yellow gold, and white gold again with a little bit of a chunkier look. So we have a 16-inch white gold tennis necklace at the top, so it's more of a choker, and then a yellow gold 18-inch tennis necklace that's a little thinner, and then with a nice big diamond cross as a 22-inch. So although we recommend mixing either white and rose or white and yellow, you can also do a tri-tone look, which is what we did right here on Molly. We went with a yellow gold on top, white gold in the middle, and rose gold on the bottom. So if you are going to do the tri-tone look, we recommend breaking it up with white gold in the middle. We hope today's tutorial gave you a better idea on how to layer your necklaces, work with two-tone and tri-tone pieces. If you want to try some of our necklaces on in store and see what layers look best on you, feel free to come on in.